Executive Media. Focus, innovate, succeed.
Ikop bakube babifanani.
Olikwenda bifanani birungi. Bakukube bakwize ti oli munoni. Omukolo bagukolere.
Olina kwandula.
Olina nankani bya wedding.
Olina graduation.
Ni bobo firirwa. So kwenda kukola nankani send off decent.
Wesimbye omukalulu.
Decent.
Funaba Ikop.
Abo bulwo bayito bataako.
Tubateeko tuli kujja mukulonda.
Era tibasasula.
Be.
Kale.
Sasula.
Olikwenda bya bululu.
Yes.
Bakukube mukuba ni poster.
Ate bana.
Mukuba poster.
Olikwenda bana.
Bana dinedo kubutundu bali. Mu poster anguli mutunigira muko chali wife.
Ani. Chali wa imwazira sente. Yasina n'okumuyamba oyo omusaada. Ikop.
Eri ekindi aba Ikop.
Olikwenda poster.
Kale.
Bana. Butundu bali. Billboard. Jamba na ife aba.
Business card.
Mudikola. Nti naba akole ne ya.
Nedo debeta bolochuwa.
Bolochuwa dindi.
Bolochuwa chechimu. Ne business card.
Ate kalenda.
Muwandika ku t-shirt.
Follow us on Instagram at Ikop Photography or call +256 702 935 078. Don't forget, they do it smart. Book with us today.
And branding at Print Creations. From custom gift sets to unique promotional items, creative signages and general printing, we've got everything you need to elevate your brand. Visit us at Chum Towers, Suite 70 on Kuruma Road, Lighthouse, Suites D14, D15 and F13. We offer a wide range of stationery supplies, awards and a vintage collection that stands out. Call us today at 0934 893 333 or WhatsApp 0702 683 317. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and X at Print Creations. Print Creations, where quality, excellence and uniqueness meet.
The short and big shot.
Omumwa gonfukidde omumwa Zubedah. Kando night ogimanyi. Bagita kando night gwokutte gwobba.
Bawa wa sugar teyamazanye ku live.
Vamo jechiri. Vamo.
Bendera ddala.
Omusajja ate nga anakuswaza ajja kwana black sugar.
Abasajja munyiganga tebabati.
Noyingira n'atakubuuza. Ekibonyaabonya ababoda abasinga. Financial literacy. Oli abeera n'etaano ate nagenda n'akwanamu. Agala mutabani wange wakati w'emyaka alina okubanga ekyalo akikuttemu ekitundutundu.
Anayakola kimpanya n'alagako nno panda nti si wa muzannyo.
Ate kye nayagala ku ttiimu ya Mama Fiina.
Sente eziwaayo.
Naye tebasaba njawulo.
The short and big show. Abantu bajaagalira ddala. We always love you.
Hey yo, what's up my people? This is the baddest Azari right here on Executive Media with RealTime with Mimi. Stay locked in. Yeah.
But babe, can you borrow me 1 million? Nemugamba, but this money is for work. Well, babe, I'm going to give it back to you, which you've nemugamba my idea. Just because I said zachi.
Za business.
Just because it's a
unless
Damazo or cola, and then I have maybe a disgado. Nancy in Quatem sent I've not yet used it. I cannot. Then Mugama Zenja Quebala can quay me for fuel because you've picked me. Now Vaunga Munivu Bichi. And Kaylans and I can angula my stuff. I know could die with a truck of flowers. Nembukola. Nemgamba Kati Jango to go and have lunch. You drop me. Netugenda, we had lunch. Atayagala kwogera.
asirise
asirise
anyize lwa sente mubbi
kati when I took a gulu after going back yangamba Tracy I have a problem your daughter is sick ati ngamba my daughter
omwana
yo this girl like ali sick ati sina sente I'm waiting for some money send me some 200k nenze musindikira so it became a habit ashtegera mpa nentuko isa nemugamba omanyi is I don't have money you're over asking for money sina
ajaye zeze yakuwanga
sina sente kati time came namukubira essimu zaali saawa 12 omukazi yakwata essimu bo ono taliiwo nemugamba it's okay bwaba taliiwo mugamba akubira essimu kati bwe yakuba essimu zaali saawa 3 nangamba Tracy why do you call me at this time nemugamba but let me tell you I know that the woman at your home is your wife so I'm not stupid I know that natandika okuyomba kati abasajja obamanyi bw'omukwata like natandika okuyomba that is disrespectful bichi you don't talk to me like that nemugamba my dear is I know everything oshitegeera ate n'oyo omukazi gw'olina even still have some other person oshitegeera kati what broke me girlfriend gwe yali yeekwesa mbu muto bichi gwe baŋŋamba yali kazini wange
yamujjawo
ku TikTok kati bino nze nga ndi ggulu nga for them they are here going on date until kazini wange yangamba naye Tracy sokuuleke is this the guy netuseka you get kati
waliwa mwanjulira ku kazini
nedda ate nga
gaye yanoonya omuwala
nengamba there's no problem just let it go you get kanze nagenda ggulu nemugamba omanyi me and you are done kubanga ze sina budde is a sin when it comes to breaking up sina budde already I know the truth already I've done my investigation tonya kyongamba era when I decide it is done it is done
so subira buli omu ali bulungi kamera
akulindemu omuntu bw'aba akola mulinde
bannaabadde ogamba kiwamma nkeera nnyo ate oluzuuka wenti ntandikirawo okukola mpumulamu ngenda okuva ku mpewo saa 5 ez'okumakya ate awo nga olwo banvuga kundeetera kudda mu kamera lwakuba olw'eggulo mba mu mmere abannange ejjo twabadde mu mmere ajati yatukozeeko bulungi nnyo awo ku Middle East yatusiibuludde ng'olya n'olya n'okoowa n'abewaka n'obabala nti ninayo bameka nabo n'obapaakingira yes so n'olunaku olwaleero ndine Tracy so abantu abankubira amasimu bannange omulundi guno Allah nsaasire ya rabbi ne management yange yeekotogedde abantu kuba eba ina okunzijukiza kuba kati omwezi gw'ekisiibo gwatuuse ng'ekituufu obwongo buli fixed nesitasobola kuteekayo nesitasobola kuorganizinga kusiibulula bakyala bange basinga omumaadha ankubidde naye ngenda mu ghetto ndowooza focus management mugikyuse focus mugikyuse tukole ku basinga omumaadha mu ghetto then byembadde mpa abantu mu kisiibo tugenda kuba waidi yes so you're sorted neera mu twagenze ku Cancer Institute tugenda mu ghetto then tubawe ne yidi kiba kitegeeza tuba tukoze yes so era tuba tusaddaase just tulina basinga omumaadha waffe betwamanyiira okusiibulula eyo ekawaala ku mulundi guno tetusobodde kibakolera ne management gigambye organizinge tulabe what we can do for them so ajati namyalo kulikayo eruzira nakulabyeko ajati eruzira kulukirayo ddala okubeera ng'ate bambi abasibe wabasiibuludde tuli ku Gibbs Bridals njagala okubeera nga mbajjukiza nga sinagenda mu maaso nti aba e-homes batunda mataka so batunda mataka gw'oyagala amataka osobola okunkoonamu ate nembeera nga mbakuwa bantu balungi amataka gaabwe ga byapa osobola okubeera ng'ate obeeyuna n'obeera ng'ate ofuna ettaka omukyala kikakatako okubeera nga olina ettaka osobola osasula mu kibanja mpola era n'osigala nga olinawo kyokola ki kyolinawo. So Internet Tracy Tracy olunaku olwaleero tugenda kwogera ku heartbreak. Linda kugagenda ne gakomawo kiki ekituusewo kajanja kangi it's coming babe.
Gali on and off?
No, gagenze nga agabulijjo but ekizimbe kinene standby generator.
Yeah, ma'am. Of course.
So ndina Tracy leo njagala tuwogere ku heartbreak.
What heartbreak?
Kinjagaza heartbreak abantu bagenda mu heartbreak ne balemerayo. Like tebamanyi bwakudda. Heartbreak eruma Tracy.
Eruma nange yannuma.
Heartbreak eruma kujanga omuntu badde tomwagala ne heartbreak eruma ate ebyaddala.
Kituufu.
Leero bw'obanga toyina toli busy. Abantu bagendera ddala mu rehab lwa heartbreak.
Depression.
Anti heartbreak eyinza okuviirako omuntu okunywa omwenge. N'afuuka addictive ku mwenge. Waliwo abatandika enjaga, waliwo abafuna ezo ice, waliwo oli n'afuna oba nga drugs zonna asobola okubeera addicted ku paracetamol, asobola okubeera addicted ku kintu kyonna. N'agenderera bw'ato nga kagenderere. Butabika. Waba talina bamufaako nnyo nga tumutaddeyo. Lwakantu aka.
Kati heartbreak kutuuse butabika.
Gwe tabannakukyawa Tracy. Abantu bonna abakukyawa wali ofera bafere.
Sikufera.
Were you in love?
Properly.
Were you in love?
Anize wembera mu love.
Don't think so.
Nedda it's all about you. Because you're not accepting yourself to be ruined. Mazima. Actually, ekisinga okutwala maybe abantu abutabika bw'otandika okulowooza obudde bwe wateekamu your time buli gwe gamba
future gy'obadde obala n'omuntu.
Exactly. Kati kikutabula. All of a sudden otuula wansi n'ogamba abantu like kikutabula you be like you start thinking n'olowooza bandange ekiki so eri abantu abatamanyi how to handle depression. Bebangi nno. Ate bebangi kyo kituufu.
Bebangi ddala. Abantu obulamu bwonoonekera ddala. So wali ofunyeko gwe heartbreak?
Nnyo n'amaanyi.
Nga mmeka?
Nga 3.
Nga zijjira mu duration ki?
Oba kati ntandike ntya? Eyasooka.
Tandika embi ennyo. Tandika eyasooka okukulagalo.
Zonna zandagalo.
Naye waliwo eyo gy'ogamba wano nga wakatandika ebintu by'alaava awo.
Before bya kusomero.
Ava ku by'essomero awo wali museguseegu njagala laava eyaddala.
Nga nava ku ssomero waliwo omusajja gwe naddeetinga. Yali musajja si mukulu naye nga yali mu in his late 30s nze nga nkyandi mu early late 20s awo. Kati ono guy twadeetinga actually twameetinga on Women's Day.
Oh bambi. Nga gwe gwalabanga
mukyalo omuzira. N'aleeta gift n'agula ebintu boot. Yali avuga Land Cruiser eya black.
Watandikira mu Gia.
Kaakati ne tutandika datinga bulungi kati by then twali twazaayo maama ewaka gyali kati mami n'agamba ffe tetusobola kubeera ewa mu kyalo kubanga tulina wano emirimu katusigale wano bwe kutugamba buli muntu asobola okukola ki kwerentingira. All my brothers ffenna buli muntu yeepangisiza kati ze nasookera Misindye Seeta. Kati bwe twamiitinga guy yajja yangamba I want to bring you something. N'agula ebintu n'aleeta ne tumiitinga ne twogera we started going on dates. Nze guy it was my first time to start going on dates. Okitegeera.
Yakusanga waka waliwo renting.
Kubanga kati yambuuza okola ki biki. The first time yajja saamuyingiza mu nyumba wakoma wabweru. Namulima nti mama wange mwali mu nyumba. Nenzijjayo ebintu nembireeta netandikirawo. Actually he used to visit me so much naye nga akoma wabweru sigulawo ge tayingira. Ajja n'akyusa emmotoka ne mulaba ne twogera nampa ssente. Ajja nampa ssente. yali ampa ssente bulungi nnyo ate nga si ssente entono mutwala 5 mutwala 2 mutwala 10 ejyamangu nno nti bwe musaba ssente even if I want 200,000 agenda zimpeera like you are so easy ng'agenda he was a businessman ng'akola so many businesses yali mu gold business yafuna contract nga he takes how should I say nga he takes food to prisons how should I say it nga ina sente ze
sente yali nyingi sebo
kati time came
prisons
of course natandika okumbuuza like why don't I allow him home biki like kuyingira mu nyumba do I have a man abasajja obamanyi
yeekwaso anoonya wakuliira
kati there was a time yajja enkuba ng'etonnya nemugamba sigenda fuluma ogulewo gate oyingire you come inside so bwe yajja mu nyumba he was so mesmerized nti nga nina buli kimu mu nyumba nambuuza Trace olina omusajja nemugamba nze nkola that's why I buy my stuff you get kubanga nze wembeera Kampala ennyumba yange it's like my mom's home because when she comes from the village atuukira wange you get so I have to have everything in the house netandika dating mpola like that kati of course time comes nebya communication nga ntandika omubuuza like about his family gaye nga ngamba nti alina omuwala omu yamundaga ati nemubuuza ate mama w'omwana buba yawukana dda akoze there's no problem kati nga nze manyi ki omwana omu kati nemubuuza gy'obeera wa because he was building in Chira nga abeera Chira naye nga yagula ttaka Nsasa oba omanyi Nsasa Bulindo kati he was renting a 3-bedroom apartment kati nangamba abeeramu ne muganda we oyo atunda gundi canteen at Kyambogo kati abeerawo ne muganda we kati ayinayo ne sister we eyafumbirwa naye I think badivorcinga namuleeta ewaka n'abaana be bameka basatu konze nesita kifaako nnyo nengamba there's no problem kati time came olwo kati nga tukunga mu myezi nga 6 kati after of course ebyo byonna because nga he has talked to my mom one time mama nge yajja yagenda okukola ki okumupikinga from the bus park like everything was so okay you get nga ali so happy nga he even wanted to marry me bichi when mommy comes namupikinga he spends the whole day like guy yali shopping ebintu guy even give to neighbors because the house was full nga every time he comes the boot is packed ngamba ne mama nge yangamba Trace wali osaba Katonda akwadde omusajja wuuyo okitegeera nga even mommy was happy kati I started seeing something ekita adding up
what
ono guy sawa 2 takwata masimu ezekiro nga takwata masimu agenda kubeera naawe the whole day even if azze waka bwe zikuona saawa emu avuga so speed okuddayo so nesitabifaako nengamba since is a businessman atera kuŋŋamba agenda mu meetings zibayo kiro saa 6
anti engeri gyali mu gold awo ng'omanya nti ezo meetings gold ziba za kiro munnange
kaya nengamba tewali buzibu kati nze nina ekizibu kimu oba kubanga ndi muwala wa Mujaasi nze nkola investigation nze buli musajja yenna gwembeera naye I run a background check on him era ngena kimanya nti alina omwana alina omukazi I always do that I do my underground era nze people always tell me togenda fumbirwa because when you keep doing investigating men
ogenda kutegeera by'otolina kutegeera naye kirungi kyokola
nnyo n'amaanyi
olina nnoonyereza n'okuba mbega
kati netandika okunoonyereza mpola I found out nti omukazi ali ewaka musimanya muganda we mukazi we nga mukazi we nengamba kati namubuuza nemugamba naye sister wo wangamba nti yafumbira omusajja omugagga kubanga tosobola kuŋŋamba even if you have a lot of money mami Zubedah nga gwe musajja tosobola kuŋŋamba nti your sister got married n'omukomya we waka nga gwa asasula fees z'abaana be bonna nga baawo akola ki
kisoboka
enda mukwana
ng'omusajja tawaayo buyambi
already yaŋŋamba nti she was married to a rich guy because the kids were in an international school okitegeera
ngono yazisasula
because the way you told me the story even if singa those people broke up at least singa abaana baasigalayo kubanga yaŋŋamba nti taata w'abaana yali ayagala nnyo abaana. Kati if taata w'abaana yali ayagala nnyo abaana, why did she come home with the kids? So I'm like, waliwo kyekola ki?
Ekitagatta.
Exactly. Nansooka ne nsirika.
Otegedde awo.
Ntegedde.
Omutima wo omala otegeera ki ekyabaawo. Wakaaba.
Nze sikaaba. Nze ndigumite.
Bwe wategeera nti omusajja yakulimba ng'okyali Katonda yamugamba tewakaaba mu yedde.
Maybe from school nga nali muto ate nali musiru. But bino nga ndi mukulu. No please. Kubanga heartbreak nze yaginoonya. Nze yakola investigation. Rode noonya heartbreak.
Weenoonyeza heartbreak eyo.
By doing investigation. Kakati ne tukola ki? Mpola mpola.
Sooka weeyongereko eno tulabe. Naye bannange. Wano maaso kaleko naye aliyeti.
Kali nice.
Maaso wadde ayisi naye kaleko naye. Tosa yiiyaayo ka design akalala wansi. Otuntu otwo. Otutulekemu naye yiiyaayo ekirala.
Kakati. After knowing that, then coming down, nengamba kati nze yaŋŋamba nti mama w'omwana ono omuwala omu gwe yaŋŋamba nti he has only one daughter. Baayawukana, the lady is married, she's even abroad. Kati time came nga the girls' visitation was approaching. Omuwala ali seeta, oba seeta parents, oba seeta bikoze bitya. By then she was in P5. Kakati naŋŋamba we have to go and we visit the daughter. Ati kati ze mama w'omwana aliwo. Nengamba there's no problem because the visitation was on Saturday. We were planning on Thursday. Kati Friday, we went and bought the stuff. Kati nangamba is going to come and pick me on Saturday in the morning. Tugende tukole ki? Tuvisinga omwana. Kati Saturday me I woke up very early, I've showered into the knees. Ate amasimu kwegali. Amasimu gaddako saawa 10.
Nagamba ki?
Anti kati after visiting the child, he went and did shopping. Okitegeera. A lot of shopping. He came home. Someone is calling ali ku gate. Mbwa at the gate ahootinga namugamba gulawo. Me and Mr. Get down and oguleo. Nangamba, okay, you come, I've bought some stuff for you. There's something I want to explain to you. Nangamba, you carry the stuff you brought. Just saku to me. Oronga nyize.
Ovuddeko.
He carried stuff na beta mu nyumba. Nangamba, you come and help me. Era nensituka. Because the things were many. Nengenda kati for him yabadde yasuddeko obuveera ng'ageze mu nyumba kati ze nenkomawo. Kati okutuka mu mmotoka. Omanyi buno obumagazini buno obutotoozi simanyi okoze bitya obwo. Nengenda mu mmotoka nensanga that magazine. A perfume of a woman and a lipstick of a woman. Nenseka, then I kept quiet. Because he had gone with the mother of the child. She's what? She's abroad. I do my investigation when I find out facts in Sirika. Kati ninda
biwede.
Babange bamenyese nga mpakuka. Kakati nengenda mu nyumba nanyumiza babe you know kusomera eyo
akuita babe
batuwa kadi kati omuntu alina kadi alina visiting omwana. Okitegeera ate kati nga mama w'omwana yalina kadi ate taliiwo kati they have to, I'm the only one alina okukola ki ogendayo
teyagamba
kati nze nengamba nesooka nemubulira mugamba ali kusomero ki set up parents kati Omutima nensira kubanga one time I went to set up parents with my friend to visit the daughter nga unless they have just implemented that loan to you know better ne card nensirika although no we had sex already. It's growing. Kakati time came, nafuna project yange eggulu ya compound design. Kati nemugamba jangu ntwale bus park ngende eggulu. Yajja nantwala nampa mitwalo 2. Nengenda nenfuna contract. Nakomawo na sente. Zaali million 9. Because that project was about 50 million. But now I was in a project Najikola more sequences like, you know, step by step. Kati basoka ne 1% ezigula ebimuli. Kubanga those guys wanted flowers to come from Kampala. transport was on them ne bampa sente nenkola ki nenkomawo kaakati sente bazimpa eggulu nga nina okulinnya baasi ekiro n'entambula ne sente nga sobola ziteeka mu bank nenzija ne mugamba omanyi sobola kutambula na sente I have some money on me you come and pick me from the park because when you boarding okuva eggulu otuuka eno ku makya nga ssaawa 11 12 awo oba kuva 10 like depending on the driver najja bulungi kati ekyasinga okunzijako wire and to learn that this guy yalina like some motive twajja guy yategeera nti nina ssente twatuuka ewaka n'atandika okweyogeza mu masimu biki nangamba babe can you borrow me 1 million nemugamba but this money is for work well, babe, I'm going to give it back to you biki nemugamba my dear nzikozesa ssente zaki
za business
zikozesa
sente za
unless ngamaze okola and then I have maybe ezisigaddewo naye nzi nkwate mu sente I've not yet used it I cannot naye nemugamba nze nja kwebala kankuwa emitwalo 10 for fuel because you've picked me n'avaawo nga munyiivu biki enkeera nze nakeera nengula my stuff nga nina okuddayo with a truck of flowers nembikola nemugamba kati jangu we go and have lunch you drop me netugenda we had lunch nga tayagala kwogera
asirise anyize lwa sente mubbi
kati when I took eggulu after going back yangamba twese I have a problem your daughter is sick kati ngamba my daughter
omwana
yo now this girl like ali sick ate sina sente I'm waiting for some money send me some 200k nenze musindikira so it became a habit ashitegeera mpa nentukoisa nemugamba omanyi is I don't have money you're over asking for money
ajaye zeze yakuwanga
sina sente kati time came namukubira essimu zaali ssaawa 12 omukazi yakwata essimu bo ono taliiwo nemugamba it's okay bwaba taliiwo mugamba nkubira essimu kati bwe yakuba essimu zaali ssaawa 3 nangamba Tracy why do you call me at this time nemugamba but let me tell you I know that the woman at your home is your wife so I'm not stupid I know that natandika okuyokati abasajja obamanyi bw'omukwata like natandika okuyomba that is disrespectful biki you don't talk to me like that nemugamba my dear is I know everything okitegeera ate n'oyo omukazi gw'olina even still have some other person okitegeera kati what broke me girlfriend gwe yali yeekwesa mbu muto biki gwe baŋŋamba yali kazini wange
yamugjawo
ku TikTok kati bino nze nga ndi ggulu nga for them they are here going on date until kazini wange yangamba naye Tracy sokuwuleke is this the guy netuseka you get kati
waliwa mwanjulira ku kazini
nedda ate nga
gaye yanoonya omuwala
nengamba there's no problem just let it go you get kanze nagenda ggulu nemugamba omanyi me and you are done kubanga ze sina budde when it comes to breaking up sina budde already I know the truth already I've done my investigation tonya kyongamba era when I decide it is done kati ekyasinga okunnuma guy yaŋŋamba nti I only wanted you because I wanted to benefit from you. Yes, me, I have my family, but you were a good woman. I would make you a second wife.
Yali musiramu.
Nedda.
Lwaki yali agala okumakinga
yalina born again nno. Kati ne neeyongera okukola investigation. Mpola mpola.
Mu heartbreak eyo.
Mu heartbreak yange.
Okyanoonyereza oferumu.
Kati nanoonyereza nensanga nti balina cult kati nga waliwo ring gyayambala nga sigitegeera nentandika okuwamu ebifaananyi oyo gaye lwaki sawa b takwata masimu oba tomukubira oba simu tezibeerako that particular time ate nga buli lunaku
anti yalina omukazi waka
seekyo okay even that was there naye nga balina cult nga bakozesa abawala kati I was going to be a victim okitegeera kati what he does ajja n'akwana omuwala n'akuteeka mu ssente bw'oba olina ssente n'akuggyako ssente ne bakuliwaringa
Tebakutta. Nina mukwano gwange baali bagenda okutta.
Kati
ate bambi baali tebamukwanye baali bamuwadde mulimu.
Kati neyekyanga biki kati waliwo ekigambo kye yaŋŋamba gwe Katonda oyina Katonda wo Tracy. Nze abawala benkwana like they are not hard like you are. Era okuva olwo ne ŋŋamba I am really. Kati kubamu ekifaananyi he had met my mom. We were even planning issues of getting married. My mom is called issues of getting married.
But you first speak her?
I'll call her.
Issues of emergency.
Okay. I pick? Namugulira ebitengi nembitwala bamutungire nga nina owaayo gundi style designs. That's why she's called. Munga tonaba kuwaayo design. Nabyerabira.
Waayo design za mami. Mama wakuba bamukwatirawo. Ayinza okuba ne emergency. So bwotyo bwowona
like that. Kati guy nga yagala kunkozesa like so many things nemugamba no. But my heartbreaks always come that it's really so hard because I get to know.
Oba wakoze dda research.
Kati
kirimu ggwe nti yakwano ino munoonyereza.
So that I avoid pressure okufa so many things. Ekintu kijjenga already ekimanyiiko. So it comes down the pressure. Kati imagine singa I did not know anything about him. Nga byonna bize lumu.
Oba wakavamu kino nga kino ki?
Exactly. Naye nze nagenze step by step nga byonna nkola ki?
Eyokubiri.
Namuleka era yagira yanoonya. But there is a person that made me shift. Era misindi gye nali navaayo. That is where kati nensenguka bwendi kati because of him.
Yasigala akyajjawo.
Ng'asindika abantu ne bannoonya all the time.
Nga baagala kukola ki?
Ate nze mmanyi. Bakyekinga waliwo
nga yerabidde
yaŋŋamba na meeting we guy nga ayogera wa bikimbu bagende babere nga bakulondoola balawo if you have a man because ebitya. So I had to leave that place for my own era I talked to my mom. Mami nayogera naye namugamba if it continues I'll call the police or I'll involve the police in this because you're threatening my daughter's life. Up to now.
N'omuwonera.
Nnyo n'amaanyi.
Kale laba ebintu ebibadde ebirungi ebyababiri obiyingira mu poliisi. Ng'omusajja
olaba
abakazi
nnyo n'amaanyi
n'abawala.
Nnyo n'amaanyi. Omanyi ku lwaki nze sidating abajaazi ate abasinga banjagala. Nze muntu amanyi okunyiiza abantu. Nyinza okunyiiza n'onkuba amasasi.
Onyiiza?
Ate olaba avoid abantu abalina weapon bavaako mangu. Ate osanga omuntu ali trained bannange. Kati waliwo bano be bakyutiza osimanya abegundi prisons.
Aba prisons bannange. Omusirikale yabasse basatu bakamaabe. Bamugambye ave ku ssimu abeera nnyo ku ssimu.
Kati just imagine just okugamba ava ku ssimu
because oli ku abeera nnyo ku ssimu because aba ku mulimu.
Okitegeera.
N'akookinga.
Abantu basatu because of the near phone. Okitegeera.
Ng'abawadde ebyabwe.
At heartbreak ey'okubiri. It was recent 2020 city 2023 24 actually 24 there ngagwako 25 ng'atandika. Kati ono guy namu meeting twameetingira ku internet TikTok. Era nze nalayira siri datinga muntu online. Sikiddamu sibikola era nali musiru ate bansonyiwe. Mpola mpola twatandika ne tudatinga myezi gijo naye nga ate simanyi kulwaki nze abasajja bonna abandatinga baba balina abaana. Ate nga baana ab'obuwala like daughters. So ntudatinga kati nga the first time bwe twameetinga nga olwo omusajja ayagala muzaalire.
Olwakulabirawo bw'ati yakulabamu abaana be.
Exactly. nga ayagala muzaale ne mugamba naye tuwaka meetinga okitegeera why the rush we are still learning ourselves kumanyi omanyi yonto my family kati lwaki mma nkuzaalira nina okuzaala abasajja bajja kuntwala biki ne mugamba that is not the reason tusooke tukule I go to your place to continuing mpola nga tu meetinga he works in town KCCA nkola byange we meet once in a while sometimes he comes to my place sometimes we meet out Katinga this guy he never took me to his home nga bwendeeta emboozi of take me home agenda kuteekawo embeera tuyombe kiggwe 2 weeks tetwogera week nga every time I bring about take me to your family oba your home
ebigambo
bikyuka ateekawo embeera tugenda kuyomba and it is going to kati he was building in Entebbe because yakola Dubai for 7 years kati he used to send money he's building a 4-bedroom house in Entebbe mabega wa airport nagendayo lumu ate kati there's a reason I'll tell you Katinga this guy angamba Tracy we have to move in the house even if the house is not done but we need to first do a court marriage namugamba tewali buzibu but court marriage we have to do it when you've met my parents I've met your parents
yes
okitegeera tebikoma wano ng'asiiba ndoojinga kati oyo yalaba nti I love kids ate I love daughters I've never met the daughter not even talk to her I talk to her on phone over once naye nga ye when he wants anything ayitira muwala we Tracy mpaye mutwale 10 Tracy this
yatandikirawo naye kusaba sente
nnyo n'amaanyi
kikyo balagirawo mangu nti olina sente
olaba me olaba Zubedah nze I'm a woman sigenda kuddaawo nti nsabe musajja kubanga ze wemba ndatinga musajja I have to know that you have to be responsible nti even if sikusabye something olina okukola ki okuwaayo ate bwe nkusaba the first time second time and you don't give me I will not ask the third time bwe nkusaba leero nti mpa tompadde the second time the third time I will not do it kati I got used to that life nti nze neekolerera whether you give me or you don't give me I will not lack okitegeera kati that's why najja nenkizuula nti abasajja bendeetinga oba who date me they take advantage of me okitegeera
bamanya nti osobola okwebeezaawo
okitegeera Mama Zubedah as I can tell you of all the men I have dated teri musajja who has ever been there and ankoledde kintu oba bought me anything or taken me on a date apart from the first one just yachikola on the story this other person yachikola like twice I think the date comes because tuli mu jam tukooye tugende tufune ekyokulya ate that is not a date
teyateeseteese nti atwala gwe ku date
I think as a sibifa is I'm a very nonchalant woman sibifa like I don't sibifa ko nnyo like you get Katinga this guy ate nze muntu I'm so easy when I have money nti bonsaba sente nga nange nazikuwa okitegeera kati these men they take it as an advantage nti ono omukazi alina bwe musaba ajja kukola ki
ajja kumpa
exactly kati ono guy yatuuka ekiseera n'angamba nti Tracy gwe sobola kuwa sente ne wanna kubanga olina sente z'okukola ki okola ne mugamba kati what is that exactly even if nkola omusajja alina olabira ki omukazi that agwa okola nze nkola ezange ngena seka mu nyumba kubanga ennyumba gwagala okola ki gwagala ogibeeramu ne mugamba anyway there's no problem ne tubeeraawo biki kati time came nga mpulira nkoye nga bintami ne mugamba omanyi if you cannot take me to your home or to your parents tukiveemu tuli bantu bakulu I went mute for 2 weeks nga tetwogera yansindikira message ku machambo okay you come home nansindikira ki nansindikira location eya gundi Entebbe nangamba there's no problem era nafuna Uber
transport yoro one
zange wananga basija
yakuweereza location hiyo kati yataka ko sente za transport
ate we nali ngenda nangamba nitira ekyokunywa yali anywa bond 7 ate nga anywa n'enjaga nnyo n'amaanyi namugula mu center ya gundi Entebbe bayitawo
namugula n'enjaga
nagula bond 7 nemmere
ku ssente zani
ezange naye banange nze ndi musiru nange neetya No, I'm telling you the truth. And I want my fellow girls to know such men exist.
Yes.
Because I remember I used transport of over 50,000 border only. Because I first went with Uber Zali Mtwalo Kumi and 121 to 30 there. Okoma na kwesa border because I was connecting. The house is very beautiful. It roofed. Not plastered, but it's styling. Nangamba, you see, this is your house. That's why when basukwa de sente zijawa no bichi.
Nolaba ku makago.
Nolaba ku makaga. Nangamba, zage no kola compound design bichi. Nangamba, there's no problem. I went back. Kati when I come out, nangamba kati you're now happy. You've seen the house. Kati
Yasabye abazadde bakulazeemu nnyo.
There's no problem. You told me you're going to finish the house. Me as a woman, I will contribute and I work on the compound. That one, there's no problem. Guess what? Enkera, guy yansaba sente za cement.
Andi bagenda teka ku nyumba yo.
But now you know this is going to be our house, and when I marry you, I don't want to take you to a nyumba kupangisa.
Eto sana mizigo. Omukazi nga gweta sana muzigo.
Mugamba naye singa sina sente okitegeera. Mugamba sina sente, but if I get, I will. Kati by then already nakitegeera nti ono omusajja just ayagala sente, like mberenga muyamba. There is no single day he has given me money. Even when he's coming to see me waka like to check on me, nza musindikira transport. Wallahi billah. And but I want to come and see you. No problem. But I don't have transport. No more sendikira. Echebi. Ate waba avawo ku machagwa mu wa transport.
Girlfriend, just
girlfriend.
Ogaba transport.
My fellow women out there,
bamugaba
mukwana. Nyona amanyi.
Bamugabira ddala.
Kati, I told him that day I don't have money. Kati, the day I went to buy this phone of mine, I got a project because I had saved some money in Endowoozayo because I bought this phone 2.4. It's a 14 Pro Max. Pia from the box. Kati wambanyi, I went to buy the phone gum unboxing it. Then posting a video. Mbuna kusabye sente, you've gone to buy a phone. But what if you've given me the money and we put in the house? I'm like, what?
Only development.
Kati, that guy had a problem with my TikTok account. Kati ncheyangamba, now we have met, I delete my TikTok. But that is a no-go area. I can never delete my TikTok account because of a man. Having issues. Yomba, bichi, that's where you get men. I don't even know. Maybe those are the men who buy for you stuff in the house. Bichi. Namugamba, talk whatever you want. As you know, yaje waka. Netuyomba. Which man gives you money? Maybe or in a sponsor na kwata my receipt books. Is that my company? Nenzimutera. Namugamba, my dear, this is where my money comes from. Tom manira. Nentabuka. And then when Tabuka, he comes down. Ngamba, okay, there's no problem. That one went.
Nga Muwamvu. Oba mumpi.
Nali musinga ku height katono. Naye nga ali mugged because he used to gym. Ate nga mweru. Omanyi he was mixed.
Bambi.
Tanzania na ne Muganda. Tata ye baganda be bomboa. Kati. Netubera kati I felt that kubanga nze muntu yebulirira. Nze nsobola okwetuuza wansi. I teach myself. Ngamba Tracy, this is not nice. Do this. Before I come to someone. Soka kwebulirira ng'omuntu. Okitegeera. So nengamba, but no, this is not a relationship for me. I need to get out of it. Kati when I got out of the relationship, nemusirika mugamba omanyi, I don't think I can do this. Nga guy ayina identity, ayina amannya aga. I know one name, other people know the other name, nga tobitegeera. Nengamba naye Trace oli muntu mukulu. Bamu byokukola ki? Ebyomuzannyo. Nze ne mwesonyiwa. I deleted his number, I blocked his number. For 1 month, he started coming back. Trace, you know I love you so much, I can't live without you, I'm sorry, bichi, come we talk. Kati, when he came, we had sex.
Oluvanyuma nga mwechayi mwezi mulamba. Yakwetonda n'omukomyawo.
We had sex. Kati omanyi, when a woman has sex nga ali stressed, she doesn't come. I didn't come. Omanyi kye yagamba, but I've slept with a man. Ne tuyomba the whole night from sawa 5 paka sawa 9. Yange. Anti kubanga Entebbe is far. But should I come to your place or I pick you, we go to Entebbe?
Kati olwo bwe wamusonyiwa, ani yamulewa transport yamuleta gye?
Yeah, kwoli yajja. Yajja nga yena atamidde. Ngamba, bananga wala bali ete mudetinga nga basajja abanywa enjaga. Babi nnyo. Babi nnyo. Ate kati nga yanywa enjaga and liquor at the same time. Kati that night twayomba, kati nze nasirika. Kati he was so annoyed, he called me a whore. Yampita malaya. I don't know malaya and a whore, the meaning of yebimu. Kati, nasirika. Nemubuuza, do you have women in your family? Nangamba, yes. Namugamba, do you know that they are also whores? Chena mugamba. Ngayagala kunkuwa, namugamba tochigeza mukwano. Don't try it. But what do you think you are? Bichi. Yes, you're a whore. Namugamba, there's no problem. Neziramu nemugamba, you have a daughter. She can also be a whore. He changed the story upside down. But I have called his daughter a whore, a daughter of 6 years old. But nange lwali lutalo. But indirectly you're saying that my daughter sleeps with men. You think my daughter is like you. Bichi. When a man wants to move away from something, nemugamba there's no problem. Neyenyiza bichi. Nemugamba there's no problem.
Ayomera mbuliribo. Tonna mufulumya.
Sinaba. Namgambo man, me I had broken up with you. You're the one who came, we sort things out. Adaka Onvuma. Mukwano, when you're done, please go. He sat on the chair still mourning. Nagama tochi ezange. Nagama tochi damu, don't ever abuse my daughter. What do you have? Nkuyamba buyambi, okwagala, bichi. You know, I'm a very handsome man. I have very many women. Even right now, when I leave your house, I'm going to sleep with another woman. Have I stopped you? Kati, you know, he does gym. Akola babita bichi. Like, when you're a rich woman, you want to do gym, but from your home. Babita bichi, yeah?
Bobenzi.
Kati yafuna omukazi, omunene. They started sleeping together. You get? Kati, there is one thing ekisinga okutta abasajja nti waba akola ebye nga expecting omukazi okunyiiga bichi ate nga you don't kimuluma nnyo. I don't know why.
Ababikola kukulumya ate alaba tolumwa.
Nemugamba nze gw'oliko nno. Kati, before that, you also had an iPhone. Kati ng'essimu zichargingira mu sitting room. Kati in the morning, yangamba muweereze essimu. Kati when I lifted the phone, screen in ekolachi, there was a message. Ngomukazi amusinikide message, I know you've got another woman, naye mutabani wo mulwadde. Nengamba ekiki? Nga yina omwana omulala, gwata wabuyambi. Kati ye ayagala nnyo muwala we. Nga twena ky'omugamba. That guy, bw'oteeka mama we ne muwala we, ajja kuchuzinga muwala we. Like, ayagala nnyo muwala we, I don't even know why. Ze yangamba kono kungamba kola, even if we are married, I can never take the position of a daughter. Imagine such a man. But there are men who are bad. Atenga je bali. Not there. Twagende gulu. kati
nga mumaze era n'oluyombo n'omutwala eggulu
after some time kabanga kati after that we stayed like for 2 weeks. His friends started calling me, bichi, you know, he has realized his mistake, and I'm sorry, bichi, you're a good woman, you're tebasobola ku replacing her, oli mukazi muyonjo, bichi, abasajja obamanyi. Hey, ngamba, you know how to take care of a woman, bichi, I want to make you my wife, olaba ye nyumba, yiyo, bichi, there's no problem. Kati I got a project. Kati project eyo, nga nokola pavement. Kati nga neetaaga omuntu asobola okunyamba okola operation managing the place. Wanga I was busy when I went to Gulu. He wasn't doing anything. Wanga ali ku leave. Ngamba tugende Gulu nyambeko. Bwe twagenda nga yechanga changa. Katumanyiza there I met a lot of people. Abamanyi. Oyinza okutambula ku street, or a man can be driving akumanyi na stopping. Amuze nyagala abasajja eggulu bonna mbagala. But I'm sleeping with them. Can you imagine? But we have just come to Gulu, and you know the kind of person that I am. Most people, they know me because of my dad. Kati time came, I was sick. Tugenda mudwaliro. Nempima malaria, sina malaria. Nempima infection, I got an infection. Nagamba, you see, last night when you went to meet someone, you went to meet a man, we were saying, no, musajja no funa infection. But that is not the issue. Women get infection, and the infection wasn't bad. Only that is my skin reacting anew. Nanyiga, narinya basi, muzasigale n'abasajja banna.
Yali anoonya kimujja ggulu.
Kati, kino ndikyogera, not because I fear talking about this, but I want the girls out there to learn something. Kati, in the process, even of tuyomba, remember he has been coming back, to having a sexy, those things. Kati, I treated infection, I got better. Nenga I'm feeling weak, mpulira empewo bichi nenga naye Tracy odde mu ddwaliro. I tested everything. Kati the real doctor was like, Tracy, you check for pregnancy. I tested for pregnancy. I got to know I was pregnant. Kati, I was so happy because this was a man who has always wanted a kid. Nenga after testing the pregnancy, I want to know how old it is. Nebanganda nkola scan. Nebangamba the pregnancy is 2 weeks old. Actually, it was 1 week and over 5 days old. Nemukubira esimu nga yakatuuka ekkampa nemugamba, by the way, I'm pregnant. Nasirikala nga send me results. Nemusinikira results. But the results zitegeera. Nengamba, but I've sent you the results that I'm pregnant, and for you. Nengamba, that pregnancy is not for me. I'm not the only man you've been sleeping with. And even if the child is mine, they're still ready to take care of a what? Of a child. Kachogendo kola, you abort the child. Mama Zubedah chino chwankuba wala. Nemugamba, like, seriously? Or you know omwana and you tell me that? Nengamba, Tracy, the truth is, or your mwana limburu alinga just mazi. The kid is just like water. So you can just remove the pregnancy. I swear, for the first time, pressure zankuba. I tested my pressure was high. Not anangamba, Tracy, calm down. I was stressed. Kati, nakubira muganda we. Muganda we yangamba ekintu. Ateka muwala, nangamba, oh, it has been happening. I hope you know. Nti alina abaana abalala. Muganda nandamu nangamba, it's fine, I'll try and talk to him. Nangamba, there's no problem. Nawaitawo enaku satu. No response. Nakubira mama we. Sakubira mama we. Namu textinga. Mwana ngamba, I'm so sorry, that is bad, bichi. Kati, I think they talk to him. Naja, but we talk out things. Nangamba, Tracy, okay, I know that you're forcing the child on me, but me, I'm not ready. But yatugenda okola, you can keep the child, but oja mulabira ngwe I'm like, what? So I'm like, you know what? I'm not ready to talk to you. That is a problem you have. If you don't want to keep the child, just remove this child. We all be free. After all, toyagala mwana bichi. After you might even be there. Ngatoli shuwa tata mwana yani. I'm like, do you have sense? You and sense, like, are you on the same page? That guy blocked me for 2 weeks. Kati, in 2 weeks, I am stressed. Bichi. I got a miscarriage because of stress. Ningenda mudwaliro. Kati, he put back his phone, he unblocked me. I had sent him messages. Nemugamba, I think you will be happy. You also have a daughter. I wish the same thing doesn't happen to her. And I'm sorry, bichi. I blocked you because I was stressed. I didn't know what to think. Bichi. I wanted we come back. I had accepted the child is mine because nabibaze mungu mwana wange bichi. But the kid is gone. You get. But now what can we do? We can make another baby. Now Gambo Olaba, eh? Let it be the last and the first time you will say that rubbish. Don't ever show your face to me because I will arrest you. Ngaloza nimba. I blocked him everywhere. Nemugambo Olaba. Don't stress me. Na textinga mama nemugamba gamba mutabaniwo. I can go to the law. I have all the messages. You get? Because I can go and I say he put me under stress and I lost my child. You get? So, tell your son, warn him not to ever show his face to me ever again. Simumanyi, tamani. I have made peace with it. And the mother was like, I am so sorry. I just wish it had never happened. Namugamba, there's no problem. You're a mother. And your son has a daughter. I hope the same thing doesn't happen to the daughter. To the daughter. You get? Kati after, okumenti, this guy was heartless. After talking to the mom, all that kati ndivyange, I started healing, bichi. This guy sends me a message. But Tracy, I want to see you. Nemugamba, see me for what? Boy, I miss you, you're my woman. I kept quiet. Another message came. But there is no man who can ever love you. It's only me who loves you. Either don't waste your time getting another man. Hey. Baby Kola. Awa ga kuta kumaliza. Bobato nafata kuta. No gamba chichichino. Adenso bijjo okolanga omuntu wera mwesonyo wakwereza message to muddamu. Because wo muddamu woti. Oba kyamwagala omuddamu. Obanga atakkiriza nti oba kyabaawo. Kati boya gambe kino okolota. Wala engage come because I'm like, okay, it is me who is a fool. Nza musiru. Namudamu nemugamba. Nemugamba sebo siri mwana wa nyokonde. You will never get a man who will ever love you. Either you will look for me, you will come. What? Nagamba, there's no problem. I will come. It's okay. That was the last time. Up to now. Kati wabwera bida. Nyona amanyi. Omaze banga kinga twegera naye. From last year October. Miezi nga mitono. Mitono nze simumanyi. Byagwa. Danya bwana November, December, January, February. Agenda ku testing March atandika Women's Nze mwala Wobote. Nacheka tomanyi. Ate nuli wali toli mwala Wobote. Oloza abasajja bamanyi ebyo nti oli mwala Wobote. Mwana. Anyway, kati kati olaba I'm an old woman now. Nine emyaka emeka okuze. Kati manyi kyenjagala what I love and what I like and what I don't like, what I want and what I don't want. I can make my choice. I can make my choice very, very, very well. I think I say wagenda mu depression wagenda sobola nina abantu abanjagala mamanga njagala nnyo nsobola mukubira. I go, she carries me, we talk on phone. Nabaganda banga banjagala. I have friends who love me, so they helped me a lot. Wabagamba wali open. I have my friend, like she has just given birth. I went to see her yesterday. She's called Rachel. Rachel yangamba Tracy Olaba. You're a woman who attracts so many things. Don't let a man has hurt you, you go into depression. You're not supposed to be depressed because of a man. Know who you are, manachoya gala, and start from there. Stop this stupidity of crying as if you're a young kid. You will get a good man. Or he wasn't meant for you. A man who tells you to abort his child. Atenga ya ino mwana. You get? She took me out, she bought for me stuff, netugenda, because she was pregnant. She even sacrificed netugenda out. Paka sawa mukaga. That is the world. I love that girl so much, by the way. You get? Nangamba Tracy, don't worry. That is how people are. But it has taught you something. I Tracy, promise me you will never let that man near you. Because if you do, then you get? Because if you ever let him back to your life, agena kula echintu echibi okusingawo, that you might even die. Because what if you lost your life because of the miscarriage? So don't ever. Ate yangamba echintu echimunangamba kati Olaba, if you want to heal from him, tomuteka mutima. Just let it go that it happened. It was something normal. It has happened because it happened to every woman. At least yours is okay. You have not died. You get? Eri abagenda mu ddwaliro nga beetagisa kubooza mu lubuto, and it's a lot of money. So thank God. Okitegeera. So munnange.
No, nawo otyo.
Like that. So it's kati, that's why in centering, like, I reached a point nenjiga kati it's about self-experience. I have a lot of girls who come to my inbox and they want advice.
Yes.
I advise them.
How?
Because of what I've been through kati nga nchimanyi. I've had abawala abajja to my inbox nga bayina abaana, like a man has made them pregnant, n'abalekawo, or someone has kids with them, agenze, people who are battling like relationship issues. Like there was a girl, omusajja yamugjeeyo gulu n'amuleeta, they were staying in Jinja, yamusuubiza nti agenda mulabira, agenda muwasa biki on reaching there, the man brought another woman in the house. Nga she was left on the street. Nga talina wagenda, she wanted to take her life. Ne mugamba mukwano. The moment you do that, you're going to bring shame to the actually people. You're an actually woman. You still have your parents. Daye waka. And you still work. If you're working, you get salary, get a small place. Nagamba Tracy is hard. I've loved this man for 5 years. Nemugamba, what is 5 years? People have loved men for 10 years, 15 years, 5 years. And you're there because of 5 years, and you're still young because she was only 26. Nemugamba, you're still very young. You get? Daye waka. Nagamba Tracy, I cannot go home. It will be shame because every time. Nemugamba, if it's shameful, what you're going to do, you're working, you earn good money, around 700,000. You can get a small house of 250, single room. Buy your stuff. Mutrust is hard. I'm still going to stay. I'm going to talk to the man. Nemugamba, don't ever call me if anything happens to you. Only call me when maybe you want money. I give you transport that you're leaving that place. That one I will do. Nagamba Tracy, there's no problem. Yadamu kunkubida after 2 months, that Tracy have left, and I'm very happy, and she's very happy. You understand?
So abalina abaana bo bagamba
kati abalina abaana, like for example, there was this lady who came, Nagamba Tracy, I got pregnant for this guy, I have 2 kids, but the guy tampa buyambi, but I still love him so much, I take care of the kids and I still love him. Sometimes he comes, doesn't even bring anything. Nemubuuza ekintu kimu, kunsi ya Mukama oyagala ki? The man has shown you even that aina abaana, like those are his kids. He doesn't buy anything. He doesn't take them to school. So what is the problem, madam? Tracy, I love this man. He was my first catch because of it. Yeah, my first catch, you will die of depression. The only thing you can do, because at a single mukazi, the guy used to work. Properly. Nga earning 1.5. Sente zibera mbakazi balala. There's no problem. What you're going to do, you either go to the press, or you go to police and you report, or to people who are in charge of kids. Or this man doesn't do what? Or you just call it quits. You accept your fate that I have kids with this man. Tampa buyambi, you're not the only woman. You get. You also have a job. So you better take care of your kids. A man will come in the long run. Because I can never love any man again, bichi. There's no problem. But right now, you're not loving anyone. The only thing you're fighting for, you're working hard for, are your kids. So if you be stupid, your kids are going to suffer. You get. So chogendo kola. Either sit down with the man, get to know ayagalachi. If he cannot take care of the kids, and you really feel like sometimes like taking care of them, school fees, what, go to police or gendo funo buyambi. So I'm like, okay, Tracy, there's no problem. I'm going to talk to my parents about it. And now, it's single kunuma. This women don't even talk to their parents.
Yeah, they do.
They rather come to someone like you or a stranger. Nemubuuza, do you have family? She has family, and the father is respectable. The father is respectable. The father loves. Nemugamba, you go and talk to daddy. If he's your father and he loves you, he will listen to you and will react. And guess what she did? She went to the father, did everything. The man has been arrested properly. Nemugamba, the first thing you start with is family until it fails. Because people have been told that strangers help so much. But before you run to a stranger, how about home? Nemugamba, your parents are there, they have a farm, foodstuff. At least if you're tied with kids, you've left this man. You can take your kids to your parents. Maybe that, but so a little advice here and there, and it helps them. Kati. There's a reason that there is something that beats my understanding. Ochimanyi nti things are hard. Musajja takwagala naye osiiba omuzaalira. You know that is very stupid. Like you find a woman nga agenze ku police kulopa musajja nga she's pregnant carrying. Nga newebuuza, what time do they have to have issues that will take them up to police? I think the reason why these women, they are not helped. Omukazi agenda ku police n'aloopa biki addayo waka omusajja n'amulimbayo n'omugaati ne baddayo n'abandoninga police. N'abandoninga police ate nga police ayagala kukola ki? Kumuyamba. Bana emisango giri ku police. But they don't follow.
Abatudde mu ka office ka family affairs bakoowa okusinga abakwata ababbi.
Bakoowa.
Misango mingi nnyo. So bannange ali mu heartbreak eyo osobola okukozesa ku heartbreak ya Tracy. N'olaba bwekivaamu. Naawe ali n'omusajja afaanana aba Tracy. Wandibadde wadduse dda noonya kkubo w'oyita. Essaawa yonna bandikuka. Abasajja bakibaga omuntu wamala ofuna obutwe bamugamba nti omwana ayikanga ze sizaala. I'm not ready. Abort.
Wabula simanyi, but those are the most cruel men because this same guy namubuuza, I'm like, you want me to abort? For you, did your mother abort you? But you're not my mother. Mkamba is fine. Did the mother of your child abort her? But you cannot be compared to the mother of my child. Nemugamba, oh God.
Abasajja balina akantu toyogera ku mukazi wange towe comparing ku mukazi wange.
Exactly. But if you have the woman you still love her, why do you love another woman? You get right, why do you come to another woman to omwagala? I used to be in relationship nga nzaateekamu nnyo emotionally. Naye nze wentuuse kati ndi kaliba ndi danger. I don't put any efforts. Gwamanyi n'ebizibu. So I've learned to let a man love me the way he wants. I used to let myself love a man, but now njagala nga bwendi. So
effort yonna ya musajja kati. Ono omujja wagenda okukwagala nga gwe tolina ky'omwagala.
No, of course it's you to first love me and show me why you love me and the efforts you've put.
Tokyateeka mu kasenteko.
Nedda.
Tokyagaba transport.
Sina sente. Sente bwe nzifuna nziwa maama ze muyambi.
Kusinga oziwa abalala
abatalina magezi.
So kati njagala tubeerekereze. Kwata mukokutte byotayagadde bireke. Funamu ekikuyamba ky'oba okozesa ekitaakuyambe kireke. So muwagire Tracy akola compounds ennungi.
Compound designs.
Yeah, compound designs. So njakuwa emirimu. Kasita onaabeera nga toseera nnyo bakiraaya nti kubanga.
Sisobola baseera.
So Nusra Beauty Center ali awo Nankulabye. Yes, alina ebizigo ebirungi, tatabula bizigo wabula atunda skin products ez'abayeruka n'abasigala ku kkala yaabwe. So you can choose whether you want to be like a Mzungu or you want to still be like an African woman. Yeah. So kyonna ky'okyuzinga gwe kyogenda nakyo bamuyita Nusra Beauty Center awo e Nankulabye. So katubeerekereze tubagambe nti musiibe bulungi.
Executive Media. Focus, innovate, succeed.